So this gentleman has this, which is a forward slippage of L5. It's called a spondylolisthesis. So the problem is how do we fix it? Well, we can't really fix it, but we can get rid of all the pain and make it really strong. The way we get rid of all the pain and make it strong is, if I can do this, there we go. We adjust the vertebra from the front, pushing this vertebra back, aligning these vertebrae up more effectively, because right now it's slipped forward.
So it's a stomach adjustment?
It just through the stomach.
That's cool.
And then in addition to that, we have him do lots and lots of lower abdominal muscles to strengthen this area up. The more we strengthen this area up, the more it pulls this way and strengthens this, pulling this way, also opening that up and taking the pressure off of that and preventing further injury and slippage, because we don't want this to become this. So it slipped even further. Now they come in here in a wheelchair, have surgery, their surgery or paralysis. So we really don't like to see it past grade 1.
Okay.
Okay.